Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. So, welcome back to another class. Today, let me start GK Unit 3, Language and Literature, chapter number 18, Languages we speak. So, how much do you know about languages? So, read the descriptions and write the names of these languages using the help box. Bharat and World. So, it is written in the Gurmukhi script. Punjabi. It is Punjabi. Number 2, it is the most widely spoken language in Bharat. Hindi. Number 3, it is spoken in parts of Assam. Bodo. Kalidasa composed his work in this language. Sanskrit. The language of Shero Shairi, it is read from right to left. Urdu. Among us regional languages, it is the most widely spoken. Bengali. Now it's time to word me. It is the most widely spoken language in the world. Mandarin. Mandarin. Number 2, it consists of the most words. English. It is native to Israel. Hebrew. Number 4, it is the official language of many countries in South America. Spanish. Number 5, it is spoken in parts of Africa. Zulu. Number 6, spoken in Arab world. It is one of the 6 official languages of the UN. Arabic. Okay, so everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 19. English poets. यानी कि इंग्लिश के कवि. Given below are descriptions or pictures of some English poets who are known for their classical poems. Identify them and write their names. Number 1. The favorite poet of King Charles I of England. He belonged to the group Cavalier poets. Thomas Carlyle. Number 2, this English poet is known for his epic poem, Paradise Lost. He lost his eyesight to glaucoma. John Milton. Number 3, a great poet of romantic poems whose masterpiece is the Prelude. William Wordsworth. Number 4, he was a critic and philosopher and basked in the glory of some of the best works ever known, like Rime of the Ancient Mariner. Number 4, Samuel Taylor. Number 5, this poet explored the political and social conditions prevalent in the society. Percy Shelley. Number 6, he is one of the most lauded poet and is best known for his work Don Juan. Number 6, Lord Byron. Number 7, his portrayal of vivid imagery and music in his poems gives them an artistic touch, as is seen in his famous poem The Brook. Number 7, Lord Tennyson. Alfred Lord Tennyson. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 20. Modern vocabulary. Modern vocabulary has some words that were never heard before, but now they form an integral part of our vocabulary. Read the clues and write the correct words using the help box. Number 1, a secret joke. Undercover. Number 2, dishonest way to make money. Caption. A business project among companies. Joint venture. Number 4, giving information while entertaining. Infotainment. Fabulous and fantastic. Fantabulous. An association of two or more political parties. Number 6, coalition. Cheating others to make money. Scam. True inquiry. Number 8, pro. A wealthy and powerful business person, tycoon. Time given to complete a task. Deadline. Okay, so my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 21. World's literature. Answer the following questions. Number 1, which character would you associate with Sherwood Forest? Robin Hood. In the classic Treasure Island, which sailor dreamed of toasted cheese? Captain Kidd. Name the author who wrote the delightful children's story, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Number 3, Rule Dahi. Number 4, Rudyard Kipling, who was born in Bharat, wrote a number of Jungle Tales which still remain popular, about which Reagan did he write? Number 4, Kana. Number 5, which was the first direct translation of a Sanskrit work into English? No, sorry, Charles Wilkins. Like the name of the poet who composed nursery rhyme Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Number 6, Jane Taylor. In which book is Miss Marple the Amateur Detective? Number 7, Agatha Christie. In Shakespeare's Midsummer Night's Dream, some pretty odd things happen. Which night is it? Number 8, 23rd June. Madhushala is a contemporary Hindi epic poem published in a new translation seeking a large readership. Who is the poet? Number 9, Harivansh Rai Bachchan. Which author's literary works have been translated more often and in many languages all over the world. Charles Dickens. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 22. Fearful. Chapter number 22, fearful. Phobia comes from the Greek word phobos, meaning fear. Given below are some fears that people usually suffer from. Write the correct word that describes each fear. Number 1, fear of fire. Pyrophobia. Fear of animals. Zoophobia. Fear of speed. Tachophobia. Fear of small things. Microphobia. Fear of water. Hydrophobia. Fear of dogs. Aquaphobia. Number 7, fear of confined places. Cynophobia. Number 8, fear of books. Claustrophobia. Number 9, fear of strangers. Xenophobia. Fear of drowning. Mm, mm, Bibliophobia. Dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 23. People of many hues. Take the correct answer. A person who is equally skilled with both hands is called ambidextrous. A person of great and varied learning in several fields of knowledge is polymath. A person who is an expert on judging beauty, quality, or skill in art, food, tea, coffee, or music is a connoisseur. A person who criticizes popular beliefs or customs is a number 4, option A. Option A, iconoclast. A person made to join the armed forces is a army. A person who expresses opinion about the good and bad qualities of books, music, etc. is a, so option is B, critic. A person who loves animal is a number 7, zoophilist. Number 8, a person who plays the principal character in a movie play is a option A, proto, pro, protagonist. A person skilled in foreign language is linguist. A language master, linguist. A person who sneers at the aims and beliefs of his fellow people is a number 10, option B, cynic. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 24. More than just stories. May match the autobiographies with their writers. Autobiographies, writers. The story number 1, the story of my life. Helen Keller. The Diary of a Young Girl. Anne Frank. Reaching for the Moon. Buzz Aldrin. Moments number 4. Cristiano Ronaldo. My experiments with truth. Mahatma Gandhi. My life has spoken autobiography. Number 6. Fidel Castro. Number 7. Sunny Days. Sunil Gavaskar. Mein Kampf. Number 8. Adolf Hitler. Number 9. My Days. Anke Narayanan. Option F. And the Daughter of the East. Benazir Bhutto. Option H. Option G. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 25. Abbreviations. Write the full forms of these abbreviations which are used in our daily life. Number 1. WWE. World Wide Web. Number 2. VPO. Business. Process. Outsourcing. Number 3. DNA. Doxy. Rebound. Click. Acid. Number 4. NASA. National Aeronautics. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Number 5. IDBI. Industrial Development Bank of India. BHEL. Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited. Number 7. UNO. United Nation Organization. Number 8. FTP. File Transfer Protocol. Number 9. SEBI. Securities Securities and Exchange Board of India. Number 10. FBI. Federal Bureaus of Investigation. Federal Bureau of Investigation. Number 11. RAF. Royal Air Force. Number 12. DVD. Digital Versatile Disc. Number 13, IMA, Indian Medical Association. Indian Medical Association. Number 14, CVC, Central Vigilance Commission. EVM, Electronic Voting Machine. Number 16, WTO, World Trade Organization. World Trade Organization. Okay, so my dear students, all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understood all chapters. We will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.